Hey guys, Matthew here, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Logitech Z200 speakers. Now the $20 price point, are these speakers worth it? Let's find out. Now the setup for these headphones are really simple. All that is needed is for the power cable to be plugged into the wall so you can get the 10 volts needed, and for the aux cable to be plugged into your PC. Thank you Logitech for not overcomplicating this like some other companies, it's really helpful. Not only that, the design is very minimal and sleek, perfect for any setup. On the left speaker, all that there is the Logitech logo. Now on the right speaker, there's an aux port, a headphone jack, a volume wheel, and a bass control slider. Overall, does not affect the minimal design, it still looks pristine. Now onto the sound. It is not that detailed, not that bass boosted, or not that great. They're not like a pair of AirPods or a pair of high-end speakers, but they are overall still very good. Way better than some junky dollar store headphones. And overall, better than any speaker I have heard at this price point. Overall, they're a very decent pair of speakers and worth buying if you do what I do, which is like editing videos with them or watching YouTube, anything like that. Nothing that is intensive that really needs some great sound, it is perfect for. And yeah, I don't really have any complaints. For the $20 price point, they are a very great pair of speakers. And if you just want a pair of speakers that you rarely use, but you want to have it in your setup for the design, and it just makes it look clean, then it is 100% worth it, and I 100% recommend it. And yeah, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and BVG out.